So today's going to be a bit of a different one. I'm taking a bit of a road trip. I'm going to pick up a spare engine for my Defender, a 200 TDI. Spare tyre in there, so that I've got something to sit the engine on when I bring it back, to strap it down and hopefully keep the engine vertical. The engine in my Defender is shot. Its cylinder compressions are so low that they don't technically exist. It was starting and would run fine, and still does run fine, but if you stop it, it won't re-go. But now it won't even start when it's cold. It will go with a tow start, so that's something, I suppose. At least I can get it over to the workshop. So today I'm off to have a look at a 200 TDI engine to replace it with. I might actually try and see if it will start, if we can strap it down and see if we can get the thing to run before I actually pick it up. The long-term plan's to put an M57 in it. I've got one in the garage, a good engine. I can't afford to pick up all the bits for it really. The simple solution's to put the 200 TDI in while I save up and get some time free as well to be able to do the M57 conversion. I'll also record the installation when I come to do it, which is hopefully going to be this afternoon and tomorrow. I'm hoping to have it up and running. It's been off the road for quite a few weeks, so I'll be really glad to see it back on the road. It's weird not having it when it's sat outside the house, so that's the plan for today. Whoa, I'm happy with that. Oh, more than happy with that. That's a good sign. Yeah. I did think there'd be enough fuel in the injector pump. Yeah. way home from picking up the engine, but it fired up off the starter motor. It's been sat for over 5 months on that chassis. I'm pretty sure that seems like a pretty good engine to me. He commented that he'd compression tested it before he decided to use it for his project, and he got over 400 on all the cylinders, which is great compression. Mine was in the region of about 120 and 200 on some of them if I was lucky. The fact that it fired and smoked from the exhaust straight away the moment we fired the starter motor was a big bonus, considering there was no fuel connected, and obviously hasn't been for quite a long time, so that's a really good sign. So, got to travel home now, hour and a half, and then I can look at starting to change the engine in the vehicle. I think we've got a good buy.